Did you know that poor posture and compressed spinal discs can actually rob you of your true height? Over time, gravity, poor habits, and even workouts can completely compress your spine and take away 1 to 2 centimeters off your height, making you appear shorter than you really are. Today, we are diving into spine decompression, exactly how you can do it, when to do it, why it is so good for you. I'll also share some common mistakes that you want to avoid and what expectations you can realistically have. Okay, so what is spine decompression? It is a technique that can relieve pressure on the discs of your spine. The discs are the cushions in between your vertebrae. Over the course of the day, gravity can compress these discs, which can reduce your height temporarily. For some people, if they have chronic compression, it's less temporary and more permanent. But with corrective habits like what I'm about to share, this can be adjusted. Firstly, let's talk about why you should be decompressing your spine. You unlock your true height, you relieve back pain if you have any, you will improve your flexibility and mobility, you'll boost the circulation to your discs. Decompression actually encourages better hydration and nutrient flow to your spinal discs. And you will also prevent long-term issues. Regular decompression massively reduces the chance of you getting anything like a herniated disc down the line. So let's talk about the best ways that you can decompress your spine. Okay, so the first method is hanging from a bar. Grab a pull-up bar and let your body hang freely, allowing gravity to do all of the work and stretch your lower back. Hold it for 20 to 30 seconds, 3 to 5 times every single day. Pro tip, try and avoid any swinging. Second is the cat-cow stretch. You get on all fours, you arch your back upwards, which is the cat aspect, and then dip it down, cow, in a slow and controlled motion. Perform 10 to 15 reps in one session, twice a day. This is going to relieve a lot of tension and improve your spinal mobility. The next is child's pose. If any of you do yoga, you are familiar with this stretch. You get on the floor, you sit on your heels, you stretch your arms forwards, and you lower your torso to the ground. Hold it for 30 to 60 seconds and repeat this 2 to 3 times again every single day. This focuses on relieving a lot of lower back pressure. The next is the inversion table. You use an inversion table to hang all the way upside down. If you don't have an inversion table, you can literally just use any table that's strong enough. You have your legs on the top and you relax and hang your body off the side. Start with about 1 to 2 minutes of this, focusing on deep breathing, but avoid this if you have high blood pressure or are prone to headaches, because all of the blood is going to be going to your head. The next is foam rolling. How do you do it? You lie on a foam roller, just roll up and down to decompress your entire spine. Ideally, you want to be spending around 5 to 10 minutes on this every single day. It is a superb exercise. Now, here's what you've got to be careful of. You do not want to overstretch your back. If you try and jump ahead too quickly and are aiming for too much progress, you can strain muscles or worsen pre-existing injuries. You want to go slow and steady. You need to listen to your body too. If you feel any aching or sharp pains when doing these exercises, it's better to stop, slow down, and go a lot more gently. And remember, it's consistency over intensity. Doing these exercises daily for short periods of time, not pushing yourself too hard, is where to start. It's far more effective than overdoing it once in a while. If you have any pre-existing back issues before you start this, it's better to consult your own doctor. So what can you expect and when? Well, the immediate results after doing a session of this is you can seriously be 1 to 2 centimeters taller. We're talking immediately after you do this. So I want you guys to try it and I want you to let me know whether you had a decompressed spine or not and whether you added any centimeters to your height. After 2 to 4 weeks, you're going to notice a lot better flexibility and relieved back pain. And after 3 months, you are going to notice all of the effects of better flexibility, better mobility, and improved spinal health. You're going to have fewer aches and the ability to maintain your natural height more consistently. Make sure when you do this, you are not skipping warm-ups. Stretching cold muscles can seriously lead to injury. Make sure you are consistently practicing it. Doing it once or twice is not going to give you any long-term results. Do not neglect your form because proper alignment is crucial, and do not ignore any underlying issues that you may have. So spine decompression is a very simple yet very powerful technique that you can use to instantly boost your height. Try these techniques for a few weeks and let me know how they work on you, and let me know if you got any taller. Best of luck. Much love, gang.